On the Materials tab of a classroom, click View Records of the required offline test. Click the Add Score button to enter the score for the corresponding learner. Then press Enter. You can also click Tab to quickly add score and move the cursor directly to the next learner cell. Click Add Evidence to add the required evidence from your system for the corresponding learner. You can add comments to give your feedback in the form of text or audio recording for each learner. Click the View button to view the score, evidence, and feedback for a learner. You can switch between the learners quickly from the corner icons. For an offline test with rubric attached, click the Add Feedback button for corresponding learners. Then select the scales to grade a learner. For scoring rubric, scores will change as per the selected scales. Click Save to save the score. Similarly, you can grade other learners of the classroom. Click the Publish All button to publish the scores and feedback for all the learners of the classroom. Learners will be notified once their scores are published, and they will be able to see their scores and any feedback or evidence added for the offline test.